Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram chat theme song option not working problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated showing. Now tap on update option and waiting a few minutes. Okay, back to home screen. Go to phone settings and scroll down, then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete, done. Okay, back. Now open your Instagram app and tap on profile icon, tap on three line option, scroll down, tap on help option, tap on report a problem, again report a problem, tap on include and continue. Now enter your problem here, see, and now tap on send option and waiting a 24 hours. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now. Thank you.